Welcome back. You don't want to discover that your sump pump isn't working when you really need it, and I think people are going to need it soon, that's for sure. Bobby Johnson from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical is here to make sure we are ready for the storm season, and it's already started, so I mean, gosh, we need to make sure it's working, right?
It already has, yeah, of course. This time of year, always the back and forth, right? 85 one day and snowing 3 days later, so very timely. You can tell the episodes or the show today is a lot about that.
Yeah.
But it gets serious this time of year.
So what do we need to do to make sure our sump pump is working? Because that for sure is something out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, we talk about that a lot, certainly way down the priority list, right? And we just assume that it's working until there's a problem. So we can inspect it just like anything else. So this month we've been offering a free sump pump inspection for even the non-Gold Club customers. So anybody haven't taken a look at that, paid attention, haven't heard it kick on in a while when you're in the basement, there's some testing that we can do because obviously when that, and there's backups now too, that's what I was gonna say. There's backup. So usually in the past, especially if you have an older one, when that fails, it's just done and there's water and that's your notification. But now there's alarms and battery backups that will notify you this has failed and we're kind of on life support.
So if we don't have that already on our sump pump, you can install that, an electrician can install that and get that all ready for us.
Yep, of course there's already outlets there to run the sump pump itself, and then the battery charges off of that, and so that's your secondary source. Doesn't last very long, but enough to sound the alarm to get it checked. Yeah, so these are all pieces and parts that we can check out and add what's necessary.
Yeah, because we just saw some visuals of a flooded basement with boxes, so we don't want that to be our warning.
Yeah, you don't want that. I wasn't even paying attention, but yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's certainly one of the worst, and these are actual places that we've been.
Oh, really?
So these are here local, and what can happen, of course, that's your pet, and
yeah.
what it actually looks like. Nobody pays attention to that or wants to, but it can get quite messy when they don't. And yeah, then other teams have to come in and clean it up like that.
We don't want that. So now's the time to call for that inspection of your sump pump. And you said this is for anyone. You don't have to be a Gold Club member, but
even non-Gold Club members, free sump pump inspection this month. So haven't had it looked at, then
it's a great time to become a Gold Club member because you mentioned the fluctuating weather. We need to have our air conditioners checked.
Always a good time, yeah. You know, we come to your house. You're a Gold Club member.
I am, and it's so easy to sign up and like get that subscription, like you've mentioned before. You just get it like a subscription, and you'll call and we'll set up an appointment and you come on out and get it all checked out.
Yeah, it's $99 for the year, but you can set it up on the monthly recurring. It's like $875 or whatever that breaks down to. So it's super easy, and of course as a Gold Club member we come out for free for anything at any time, any conversation, but that would be part of your annual maintenance check and inspections.
And now's a really good time to sign up to be a Gold Club member if you haven't too, because you have a $300K giveaway we've talked about before.
Right, and I think we were talking about that some, but we're working a whole lot with schools, some with your kids' schools, I believe, and so the $300K giveaway, we're working with multiple different charities, ones that you've heard of, and down to the local bands and athletic clubs. What that is, just real quick, is your $99 fee. You pay that up front, but you designate the charity of your choice, and we give that back to them. So it just all kind of comes full circle. You're donating to those funds, but you still get the service.
It's really a win-win-win for sure.
Yes.
Well, Bobby, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Thanks as always.
As we get ready for the summer, spring, storm season, all of that, you can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, just call 888-986-2424 or go online to goldenrulephc.com. You can also find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.